the Dimplex PC2005W31 and is one of the best products out there with its efficient, versatile design that can heat a variety of room sizes. It is compatible with multiple wiring voltages to accommodate heating a single room or syncing with multiple heaters for whole house temperature control. The baseboard heater is compact, but its high wattage and an innovative vent design enable it to heat very large rooms. Heating. The Dimplex is compatible with more wiring schemes than any other baseboard heater reviewed. It comes with the necessary wiring for traditional 120 and 240 volt wiring, but it also works with 208 and 347 volt wires for three-way systems of your hard-wiring heaters to the multiple thermostat controls. Depending on the wiring you use, you can achieve more than 2,000 watts of heat output at maximum power. At its highest level of heat output, this electric baseboard heating unit produces more than 8,500 joule. This means the device can heat well-insulated rooms up to 400 square feet with relative ease. For older homes lacking in insulation, this unit should still heat 200 square feet comfortably. This baseboard unit has been smartly engineered. It offers a modern look and innovative features. The heating element is made of nickel chromium and enclosed within a steel sheath to discourage rusting and prolong the life of the heater. Across the element are multiple upright aluminum fins designed to enable upward airflow. This ensures more heat moves toward the upper vent and outward into the room, with less chance for heat to be absorbed into the wall or other parts of the heater. This allows the unit to heat a room faster than a typical baseboard heater. This baseboard heater offers an incredible level of efficiency thanks to the well-designed heating element and top vent. It offers heating output comparable to models roughly twice the size. This leaves you significantly more room for decorations and furniture. The Dimplex PC2005W31 comes with a built-in thermostat. This is a rare feature. In fact, the other models I reviewed all require an external thermostat in order to operate. This unit's electronic proportioning thermostat allows you to control the temperature directly from the unit via an RF transceiver that also enables heater-to-heater telegraphing. Dimensions and wiring. Besides working wirelessly with the handheld remote and wall controls, the unit can also communicate with other Dimplex electric baseboard heaters. This allows you to set up whole home temperature syncing so you can adjust temperature levels throughout your home from a central hub. The CSAC 828 compliant controls within the device allow you to set the temperature for this heater in increments of 0.5 degree Celsius or 1 degree Fahrenheit. To control multiple Dimplex heaters wirelessly, you have to purchase a wall-mounted remote control. This accessory utilizes radio frequencies to control each convector, and saves you the cost of installing new wiring between each heater, and running them directly to a thermostat. You can purchase additional remotes for each heater, though having a central remote makes it easy to manage the temperature of your entire home. This baseboard heater comes with 2 warranties that cover different parts of the unit. A 1-year warranty protects the entirety of the unit, including the 20-gauge steel construction, and the installation wires and ventilation. The most important part of baseboard heating, the heating element, is covered by a 10-year warranty. When you purchase this unit, you have to register the product to validate the warranty period, after which you can send in failed parts for repair or replacement. Dimplex offers a comprehensive support department with contact methods that include web forms and phone lines. In addition to these direct customer support options, the company also offers technical and troubleshooting guides, training videos, FAQs and even heat loss calculators. The heat loss calculator is a unique feature, allowing you to identify all aspects of the room you plan on heating, with information about wall insulation, window types, door sizes and more. The tool then calculates the amount of heat loss in terms of wattage, which helps you decide which heater would most effectively heat the room. The Dimplex PC2005W31 earns its rank as my top baseboard heater due to its efficient and versatile design. Its top vent allows it to distribute heat quickly throughout a room. Its built-in thermostat allows you to control the unit directly without an external thermostat. Those wanting whole home syncing can take advantage of the 3-way wiring compatibility, and a separately purchased wireless remote to link multiple Dimplex heaters to the same thermostat. Its 10-year warranty. Its 10-year warranty, which is longer than most, is reassuring when you purchase a product with so many advanced features. Warranty